How to set power off timer on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. Here in menu, go to settings. In settings, go to system. In system, go to timer settings. Here in timer settings, go to power off timer. And now you can set the time you want the TV to turn off automatically. So okay, to set, you'll have to just go to power off timer and switch on the switch button on the right side to set the power off timer. So you can set into once or weekly. So okay, you can select in weekly from Monday to Sunday. So for my example, I set into weekly the power off timer. So you can set the time. For my example, I set the time into 10 hours. So after that, press OK and select confirm to save. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the time you want the TV to turn off automatically on your Devant Smart TV.